Might want to put that phone down. Ohio is cracking down on distracted driving. Governor Kasich recently signed a new bill to include any form of distraction, from talking on the phone to applying makeup. Meg Shaw's in Orange with more on the law that may be tough to enforce.
Well, under this new law, distracted driving is now a secondary offense, meaning there's a penalty associated with it. But in order for drivers to receive a ticket, they must be pulled over for a moving violation first, like weaving across lanes or varying speeds. So police may not see the distraction if a driver isn't weaving or showing signs of being distracted. But this is how bad the problem is in Ohio. Last year, there were almost 14,000 crashes involving distracted drivers. 51 people died in those crashes. So now, under the law, if someone is pulled over and they've been texting, talking on the phone, using a tablet, or even applying makeup, they could be slapped with a $100 fine. Lieutenant Rob Gable from the Ohio State Highway Patrol compares distracted driving to impaired driving and says it's time for people to wake up and realize the dangers associated.
So it became very socially unacceptable to get an OVI arrest, and it still is. Our hope is that it doesn't have to get that bad with distracted driving, that people will make the decision now, make that choice to put away distractions before their incident results in something catastrophic.
So again, if a driver is ticketed, they could receive a $100 fine, or in lieu of that fine, they can take a distracted driving course. The law will take effect in late October. In Orange, Meg Shaw, News 5.
Now, despite all the warnings, teens still texting and driving. Now, a new study shows just how much it's happening. Researchers looked at the Youth Risk Behavior Survey of about 200,000 teens out there on average. Nearly 40% of all teens across the country text and drive. Again, that's 2 out of every 5 teens. The entire state of Ohio, not among the 35 states included in this study, but Cleveland Metropolitan Schools was one of the large urban districts surveyed. And that's our time. Thanks.